Hi, Chitra, Bhumika. We have Chitra
Hi,
on
Chitra.
online with us.
Hi, Bhumika, Neelu.
Hi,
Very
Bhumika,
interesting
Chitra.
session is going on.
All, all thanks to Bhumika. Chitra,
To
Bhumika,
you
Bhumika,
also.
Chitra.
Thank you.
Bhumika, over to you.
Sure. Hi, Chitra.
Yes.
How have you
Hello.
been?
Hello.
Yeah, Chitra, can you hear me?
Yeah. Clearly.
Very good. Okay, Chitra. Tell me, why do you want to open your records, and which area of your life is disturbing that because of that you want to open your records? So
Because
I want to know.
everything. When I was 3 years old, I got one accident, and I have that burning sign on my right cheek, isn't it? After that, so many issues are over there with my parents, with my brothers,
Mhm.
and I'm 52 years old. Even then, I'm not settled with my parents. That I was for 20 years over there after marriage, and my husband was also not good. Then he took divorce because he was indulged in another girl, and I'm having one daughter. She's also not settled. I'm not settled. I'm also that job because no stability in job over there. I'm having so many health issues. 2 months back, I was suffering from cancer. So hysterectomy was done, and financial issues are so severe that what I have to do? Keenly listening, that you are so intelligent that I have written, I have exposed from my page, and I have written each and everything over there. Because what I have done, ma'am, in the past life, that I'm suffering a lot in this. I'm not satisfied because that in every field I'm getting so much pain. How many murders I have done, what I have taken from other souls in the past life. That I wanted to know, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Tell me one thing, Chitra. Which issue at the moment specifically you want to take it right now to clear and to open up the records for? Which is the one particular issue you want to open up right now?
Ma'am, health issue and financial issue.
Okay, let's take it your health issue. Okay, let me ask you what health issues you are facing. I want to know specifically what are the health issues you are facing.
Means multi-element that problems are over there. That first one is I'm diabetic, I'm heart patient also, I'm diabetic also, osteoporosis I'm having, and as I mentioned that hysterectomy was done 2 months back.
What was done?
Hysterectomy, removal of uterus due to
Okay,
cancerous cells.
okay. So uterus removal was done.
Yeah,
Also, tell me cancer, how long you were having the cancer and what cancer you had it.
that ma'am, uterine cancer, I was suffering from fibroids.
Fibroids.
At the time of death of my mother, then I started taking care of myself.
Okay.
Just 2 years back, when
This
she
was
died. After 2 years back, when she died. After
2018, you mean to say.
yeah, then
Okay.
after that I started taking my care. Then
Hmm.
I've seen a lot of problem started
Mhm.
simultaneously. That bleeding started because that menses were over, but after 2 years again bleeding started. So when I went to the doctors, he said that you have cancerous cell and immediately you would be operated. Then
Okay.
there is, so this time so much chaos is in my life, ma'am. That is why I'm asking you.
Okay. Tell me also one more thing. When did you remove your uterus? You said 2 months back?
In the month of March.
You said 2 months back, right? Okay.
March.
And you are having osteoporosis also.
Yeah.
Okay. What else problem you said you have? One is cancer, one is osteoporosis,
Diabetes.
one is diabetes, and one is you removed
Uh,
your uterus Anything else?
Spondylitis, both kind of spondylitis, lumbar as well as cervical.
Spondylitis. Okay.
I lost faith in God also, ma'am, because of this reason. What I have done, because this time I'm not taking, that I can feel the pain of others. That if they are not able to manage anything, okay. If I can do, okay, I will help you. Like this only. I can understand. You can see you are so intelligent. You can see each and everything. You can read each and everything about my this present life and past life also, ma'am. You can understand what kind of lady I am. I'm not a this much bad lady in this present time. Why I'm facing all these?
And tell me one thing, right now, at the moment, what problem do you have? Do you have any pain anywhere
Yeah,
right now? Where?
in bones and my stomach. Lot of constipation is over there.
You have
Constipation.
constipation and problem.
Constipation. Continuously constipation is over there.
Constipation and bones problem right now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me open your records. Do you give me, can you give me your birth name, please?
Birth name Yamuna, ma'am.
Yamuna
Yamuna.
Gupta?
Yeah,
Yamuna Gupta?
yeah. Yamuna Gupta.
Okay. Do you give me permission to open your records?
Yeah, of course, ma'am.
Do you give me permission to open your records?
Yes, ma'am. Of
Do you
course.
give me permission to open your records?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me open your records now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Chitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Chitra,
Yes, ma'am.
while opening your records, I could see that there was one man who was very aggressive by nature and who was having multiple affairs. And the one who was married to his wife, he used to abuse, raise hands on his wife, and also he used to trouble and torture and irritate his wife a lot. Out of that irritation, he used to torture her so much physically and mentally that his wife has to die with cancer. And she was in the last stage expecting her husband to be with her. But he was in his own life and he used to live royally his life that he did not give 5% also to his wife. He was also having children which he never took the responsibility of. And wife taking the stress of children, 2 kids she was having. Out of that, one child was very young, just around 6 months, and just because of ignorance in the family, the child died out of ignorance. The child died by non by not getting any attention. So in that, the the mother, the wife was so worried and so concerned and so emotionally broken that she developed cancer out of stress and was expecting the husband to be there. But the husband, who was rude, shrewd, and completely a narcissist man, in short, I should say, who was always in his own life. He wanted to live the way he wants to. He never used to give money, not emotionally taking care of the wife, physically was torturable. With all that pain, the wife died. And this man continued to live the way he was. And this man was no other than Chitra, it was you, who used to torture his wife, due to which the torture has taken place in your life. Chitra, I just want to know, did you have any miscarriage taken place?
No.
Uh, did you want
Yeah, yeah.
to have
Sorry, I'm interrupting you. Yeah, one was there.
one was
Just after my daughter, one miscarriage was over there.
that miscarriage was the 6 months old baby who has passed. That was the baby who has taken birth in your womb.
Okay.
How long the baby was there in your womb?
2, 3 months.
3 months, 2, 3 months,
Yeah.
half of 6 months. It is very natural. That's what I asked you. See, this is where your past life opened up. And do you feel at night sometimes that someone is uh, hitting you by stick and your body is paining like anything? Does that happen with you at times?
No, but I'm very scared.
You are very scared.
Yeah.
Exactly. The way that female, the wife of yours in your past life used to get scared of you. So it's basically the lesson. You have taken a birth to learn a lesson of your past lifetime in your this lifetime. That is the reason cancer has developed, because your wife had a cancer and you have developed the cancer. And just in your past life, you have been very abusive physically to your wife. That is the reason you have developed osteoporosis. And the child died because of depression. This is the reason in the half age in the womb itself, 2 to 3 months, the child had a miscarriage. That's the energy. That child did not wanted to come back again with the same energy in this lifetime also. That's the reason the child left in the mid path itself. So this is the history for your lifetime. That's the reason you are facing the problem. What in this lifetime you have it. So I'll do one thing. I'll do the cleansing right now, and wherever pain you have it right now, I will change. Do you give me the permission to work on yourself? Do you give me the permission to give the clearing to yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you give me the permission to give the clearing to yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you give the permission to give the clearing to yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I request you to close your eyes, please?
Okay.
And whatever problem you have it, just take your attention to that problem and let me know once I finish the healing, how is the pain? Okay? Before that, you tell me how much is the pain in the scale of 0 to 10 so that we can make it out how much the pain has been released.
10, ma'am.
10?
Hmm.
All right. Which pain you're talking about? The 10 it is?
Stomach and shoulders.
Stomach and shoulders. Okay. Close your eyes. Chitra, may I ask you to ask for the forgiveness from your past life wife and ask her to forgive you, and you have realized your mistake and you want to close the records with her with the forgiveness. Can you close your eyes and ask her to do that for you?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Please do that.
Please forgive me for my past life and close my record.
You can open your eyes slowly and gradually. How is the pain in the scale of 0 to 10?
Ma'am, 7 on shoulders and 2 or 3 in the stomach.
Amazing. 2 or 3 out of 10 you're saying?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Amazing. Excellent. Yes.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Chitra.
Fantastic.
Amazing.
Really, really is. Is there anything else for uh, for Chitra for right now, Bhumika?
Sorry?
Uh, is there uh, is there any other part of the process left? I'm sorry, I came in because from 10 to 2, from 10 to 7, how amazing is that? So is there a next step from here?
Yes, I was thinking that 7 also we'll bring it down. Chitra,
Yes, ma'am.
Super.
ask you to apologize and say sorry and say, I realize and I release my pain. I realize whatever I have done in my past life and I release the pain what I'm going through. Just close your eyes and say it 3 times, please.
I realize what I have done in my past life, so please forgive me and relieve me from my pain. I have realized what I have done in my past life, please release my pain. I realize what I have done in my past life, please forgive me and release my pain.
Excellent. Open your eyes slowly and gradually. Tell me how much is the pain on your shoulders right now?
Decreasing gradually.
How much from 7 to it is come now?
5, ma'am.
Wow. And what about your stomach pain?
Gone, ma'am.
Gone.
Yes.
Oh
Wow.
my.
Wow. Excellent.
Ma'am, miracles you are doing. I want to ask one more question.
Yeah, please.
Hello.
Yes, please.
That ma'am, I'm having one daughter.
Yes.
Because after my divorce, I came to my mother's place. With my parents, I was living. My parents, they are no more. I want to ask about my daughter. She is not having any job, and I'm very worried about her marriage and job also. She is not, also not good as far as health issues are concerned.
Okay. So
So
what?
thank you very much, ma'am, whatever you did. So how I will get rid of all these, whatever I have done in my past year, that life.
You can always join the workshop and learn how to get rid of all the problems. Please don't cry, Chitra. Chitra, please don't cry. We are here to clear, right? We are here to clear, right, Chitra?
Yes.
Please don't cry. See, this is all releasing taking place from your tears. Let it come out, let it get cleared. It's okay. With this clearing, with this releasing, you will release your shoulder pain as well. Is it decreasing?
Yeah, continuously decreasing.
Amazing. How much it is right now?
3, 4 out of 10.
Wow. Excellent. You can always join the workshop where I will teach you how to clear your past life, how to clear your past karmas, how to how to find out the solutions for yourself, for your life to live better, how to transform your life with Akashic healings. So, if you are in a phase of life where you are looking out for deep answers to your purpose, that is your bitter relationships, money, blockages, black magic, everything you will learn from this. Everything you will learn from this and learn to overcome and live your life better. Whatever you have gone through, you will be able to live better now. Yeah,
Yes.
good. Thank you, Chitra.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chitra. Thank you for coming on. Thank you, Bhumika. That was I. I'm trying to understand what's the word that would best describe this, and I'm falling short of words. So I'm just gonna go with like wow and how.
Like wow and how. So basically.